Hello, hi, good afternoon, very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope audio, video, everything is clear and fine. So today morning I was unable to come live. So that is why getting live at this point of time at 3 o'clock to complete the current affairs of 19th of August 2026. Let's see what are the news highlights which we are going to cover today into the session. क्या क्या news होंगे आज? News number 1, South Indian Bank launches Onam Urdu में Uday Olam campaign. So it's a campaign for celebration of the Onam festival of Kerala. केरला के ओनम फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए इन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली कैंपेन लॉन्च किया है साउथ इंडियन बैंक ने. सो दिस इज द कैंपेन एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आर लॉन्च्ड बाय द बैंक विद इन द कैंपेन दैट वी विल कवर इन डिटेल. Meghalaya inaugurated Center of Excellence for Eri Silk. Eri Silk have GI tag also. Eri Silk is going regularly for the export as well. So Eri Silk waving on the National Handloom Day 2026. If you remember that National Handloom Day was celebrated on which date? In 2026, do write in the chat box immediately that when the National Handloom Day was celebrated. कब celebrate किया गया था National Handloom Day को? ठीक है. Then after that, after that, another news will be regarding Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission recently completed 7 years. So what are the achievement of the Jal Jeevan Mission? What is the budget allocation, till which year it is extended? Every detail is going to be important for upcoming exam. We'll cover everything in the form of simplest manner. Punjab National Bank entered into 3-year partnership with GYFTR, that is GIFT-R, this company, to enhance the credit card customer engagement. So they can go for this particular application, check that okay on their credit card what are the offers available, on the hotel booking what offers are available, on the flight booking what offers are available, how they can utilize their credit points on the credit card. With the support of this application they can check. So we'll cover it in detail. Airtel Payment Bank named Subham Sinha, that is Airtel Payment Bank recently announced the name of Sabnam Sinha as the new chairperson replacing Sunil Bharti Mittal. So Sabnam Sinha ma'am is going to take the charge as the new chairperson of the Airtel Payment Bank in place of Sunil Bharti Mittal, who is going to get retired. Complete detail will cover, including what are the total payment banks which are working in India. वो भी हम cover कर लेंगे. Gujarat approved desert zoological park and night safari at Junadisa, which is a national park. There night safari will be started and desert zoological park will be started. It is going to be important, especially we can expect in the form of static GK into the examination. Static GK के form में हम expect कर सकते हैं, especially in the clerk or RRB examination. Guys, PDF will be available in this Telegram group. You can get the PDF immediately after the session. In case of any doubt, question, confusion, or to get the valid information in very short 1 minute, 2 minute videos, you can connect with me, follow me over the Instagram as well. Bank Foundation batches one-stop solution for all 4 subjects, Maths, Reasoning, English and GA. If you are looking for the solution only for GA at one place, that sir, I want banking awareness, current affairs, financial market for all the examination, including LBO exam, RRBPO, SBIPO, IBPS clerk, SBI clerk, one place where you can get all the details, that is Hustle 3.2. At present, the batch is available approximately 750 rupee because of the Independence Day discount. It will be going back to 999 only in the next 1 or 2 days. Homework के क्वेश्चन चेक कर लेते हैं. Which of the following city is known as the city of 7 islands? So city of 7 islands is Mumbai. Mumbai को कहा जाता है city of 7 islands. It is actually Colaba, Little Colaba, then Bombay Island, then Majgaon, Parel, Worli and Mahim. These are the 7 islands. By that connected together is called Mumbai. उसको सबको मिलाकर कहा जाता है Mumbai. That is why Mumbai is called the 7 island city. Which port is known as the gateway of Eastern India? So correct answer is Kolkata port. So it is also known as Syama Prasad Mukherjee port. Kolkata port often known as the gateway of Eastern India because of the major export and import and entry point for the India located in West Bengal. Which of the following Indian city is known as the Manchester of South India? Correct answer is Coimbatore because it is famous for the textile industry. Textile industry के लिए काफी famous है. Which airport is first fully solar powered airport in India? Correct answer is Cochin International Airport, Kerala became the first fully solar powered airport in the year 2015. Very important question for the clerk examinations. Clerk के लिए काफी important question रहेगा. Good afternoon, very good afternoon those who have joined us now. So these were the homework question. Let's see the question for tomorrow. Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in which of the following state? Then Salar Jung Museum is located in which state? Victoria Memorial is located in which state? So these are the homework questions. Start करेंगे news number 1 से. First news. South Indian Bank recently launches Onam Uruduma Yude Olam. Onam Uruduma Yude Olam. This is the campaign name launched by the South Indian Bank for the purpose of celebrating one of the biggest festival of Kerala, that is Onam. Onam festival को celebrate करने के लिए. So celebrating Kerala festival, that is collective efforts to collective answers started coming. Okay, perfect. So South Indian Bank launches this campaign to celebrate the Kerala spirit, togetherness, collective efforts to preserve the rich culture of the state Kerala, and Onam festival is the biggest festival of the Kerala. 90-second of film highlighting the importance of the community participation in preserving Kerala traditional heritage. So a 90-second film sponsored by South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank ने 90-second का film sponsor किया है. The film narrates the story of a group of youngsters who come together for the community funding, crowdfunding, to restore the forgotten Chudan Velam, which is the tradition of the snake boat associated with the Kerala famous boat racing culture. So this type of boat racing culture was promoted in that film. So film was promoted by, funded by South Indian Bank. This is the one thing what South Indian Bank have done. Second thing, Mr. P.R. Sheshadri, Managing Director and CEO of South Indian Bank, aim to pay the tribute to Kerala cultural heritage while highlighting the spirit of traditional custom celebration life. A part of the festive campaign, it is most important. Every year you will be observing that near to Diwali festival, most of the banks started offering, giving good offer on their loans. Similar to that, as a part of the festive campaign, South Indian Bank introduced offer on home loan, car loan, retail loan, personal loan, etc. This is what South Indian Bank have done. So this is the detail about this particular news. South Indian Bank founded in the year 1929, Thrissur, Kerala headquarter. Experience next generation banking is the slogan of the bank. Now South Indian Bank was there in the news because they have launched digital loan against the mutual fund. It is called loan against mutual fund. So digital loan against the mutual fund in March 2026 in collaboration with a company called Small Case. Small Case is a company with the support of which you can make the investment into equity, bonds, similar to Zerodha, similar to Grow, similar to that application. So Small Case के साथ collaboration किया था South Indian Bank ने for the purpose of offering loan against mutual fund facility. Then in March, EPF payment facility was started by South Indian Bank. Then South Indian Bank generated the annual profit of 1,455 crore rupee. Kotak Mahindra Bank made investment of 9.99%. Means Kotak Mahindra Bank acquired 9.99% stake in the South Indian Bank. Then Kotak Mahindra Bank made the announcement that Mr. Mahesh Murlidhar Pai is going to be the next MD and CEO replacing Mr. P.R. Sheshadri sir after the completion of tenure. So this name is very important. Mr. Murlidhar Pai is getting appointed on the position of the chairperson of South Indian Bank. Then Mahesh Pai name was approved by the Reserve Bank of India. Also, quarter one profit was 377 crore rupee. Point clear hai? Good afternoon, Anu. Very good afternoon. Next one. आगे move करें. Next set of news. Punjab National Bank entered into 3-year agreement with GYFTR. That is Grift. So company name is Grift. This company, it is a company where what you can do, you can link your credit card. Like CRAD. Maybe you heard about CRAD application. Kunal Shah was the CEO of CRAD, founder and CEO of CRAD. Remember that same company CRAD. Over the CRAD platform also you can link your credit card. CRAD will also let you know that what is the total credit score. Means what are the cashback offers available on your credit card. If you want to book the flight ticket, what are the offer available, how many free movie tickets are available once in a quarter in your card. All these information you can check over these type of application. Similar type of app is this GYFTR. This GYFTR Limited is a similar company which can give you multiple offers. It can offer you multiple credit card as well, and if you are using any credit card, on that credit card how you can maximize your offers, that also suggested by this GYFTR, this application. PNB have done the collaboration with this particular application, so customers are able to check their digital reward offer over the platform, that on their credit card, PNB credit card, what are the offers available, kya offers available hai, how many free movie tickets are available, or they can use what type of discount over Amazon Prime, Swiggy One, Sony Live, Starbucks, Domino's, Myntra, PVR, etc. Different application, what are the offers you can use with the support of the credit card. This type of 3-year collaboration has been done by the Punjab National Bank with this company called GRYFT. GRYTF, GRYTR, फिर गलत बोल दिया, GYFTR, अभी सही है, GYFTR. So this is the company name. Punjab National Bank, founded in the year 1894, New Delhi is the headquarter. Ashok Chandra sir is the MD and CEO. The name you can bank upon is the tagline. Point clear है? एक बार CC दे दीजिए chat box में, confirmation quickly. Then Bajaj General Insurance launches special motor insurance plan for the defense person. Bajaj General Insurance. Previously, if you remember, the company was called, पहले company जो थी, it was called Bajaj Alliance General Insurance. Bajaj Alliance. You heard about this, Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company. Remember? Now the company name is Bajaj. Why? Alliance exited from this particular insurance company. जो Alliance है, उन्होंने exit ले लिया. Now the company is called Bajaj General Insurance. General insurance companies are able to offer health insurance, car insurance, two-wheeler insurance. After that, your different type of insurance. If you want to take insurance of your mobile phone, insurance of your laptop, insurance of your home, marine insurance, all these insurance offered by the general insurance company. So Bajaj General Insurance have launched a product called Pro Shield. इसको नाम दिया इन्होंने called Pro Shield. Pro Shield is a motor insurance policy under which car insurance can be taken by the defense persons. Those who are frequently traveling from one city to another city, or those who are getting transferred different locations, they are getting posted, they can use this Pro Shield as the unique insurance policy which is curated, which is created only for the defense persons in India. इसको policy को बनाया गया है only for the defense persons in India. Is my point clear? So it is for the military personnel who frequently face relocation, operational commitment, and extended the separation from their family due to the nature of their service. For them it will be available. उनके लिए ये particular policy available होगा. Pro Shield will also offer travel emergency protection which provide reimbursement of missed flight, hotel accommodation, expense arising, vehicle accident while traveling to airport, subject to the policy terms and conditions. So multiple other options are also available into this. बहुत सारे अलग इसमें options available है. For us, practically in the examination, we can either get the question if we will be able to remember these 3 three words. Bajaj General Insurance, first, named policy name Pro Shield, second, and launched for defense persons, third. It is more than enough to answer into the examination. Exam में answer करने के लिए इससे इतना काफी है. Another facility which is launched by the same company, Bajaj General Insurance, is VPay 2.0. VPay 2.0 is an upgraded motor insurance solution which is connected with the software-driven vehicles. So nowadays electric vehicles are there. Nowadays there are lots of software integrations are there in the electric vehicles, right? Hacking can be done. Door locks, hacking can be done. So that type of cars will be protected because of cyber attacks, cyber fraud. If there is any type of risk towards the car because of the software, that will be covered under VPay 2.0. This is what the VPay 2.0, another policy which is launched by Bajaj General Insurance. तो ये दो policies के बारे में हमको याद रखना है, Pro Shield and VPay 2.0. Bajaj General Insurance, current name of the company is Bajaj General Insurance. Previously it was called Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company Limited. Company was founded in the year 2000 and headquarter Pune, Maharashtra, Headquarter is Pune, Maharashtra. Mr. Tapan Sahgal is the present Managing Director and CEO. 2012 onwards, Mr. Tapan Sahgal is the CEO. 100% owned by Bajaj after the exit of Alliance Group. So Alliance Group take an exit and now it is 100% owned by Bajaj. Another company called Paramotor Digital Ties. Paramotor. So this Paramotor is a company. थोड़ा सा company के बारे में आपको idea दे देता हूँ. Paramotor, what type of company it is? Paramotor Digital Technology Limited. It is a fintech company, which is a financial tech company offering the financial solution, lending facility, digital payment solution, QR code payment facility also it offer. So this is what this Paramotor is. Company founded in the year 2016, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarter hai. It is an unlisted company. It is not listed into the stock market. Company offer payment, prepaid card payment, reward, loyalty point, and apart from that, company do offer the facility of existing cards also. If you are using any existing card, credit card, so company will give you clarity that what are the offers, what are the advantages which are available over your card. That also you can get with the support of this company called Paramotor. It's a fintech company. It do offer UPI type of facility, payment acceptance facility. So Paramotor Digital Technology Limited entered into the co-branded partnership with NSDL Payment Bank for the purpose of issuing prepaid card across India. Prepaid card means you can upload the money over the card, then you can use it. Mostly companies do offer this type of, companies do take this type of card. For example, if I am a branch manager of a particular organization in a particular company and I need to do the expenditure on a daily basis over tea, coffee, water, other convenience for my employees. So my company will do one thing, company will provide me a prepaid card. Money will be uploaded over the card, then I can use it. पैसे उस पे पैसे upload कर देंगे, उसके बाद फिर हम उसको use कर सकते हैं. This type of cards comes under the prepaid card category. So recently Paramotor collaborated with NSDL Payment Bank for the purpose of launching the co-branded prepaid card across India. So Paramotor offer industry-specific prepaid card program for the enterprises, consumers across the category. So they will be designing the card as per the need of the customer. In collaboration with NSDL Payment Bank, it was launched. NSDL Payment Bank founded in the year 2018. Every payment bank in India formed on the recommendation of Nachiket More Committee. Payment banks in India formed on the recommendation of Nachiket More Committee. Payment bank started with the initial capital of 100 crore rupee. 100 crore की initial capital के साथ payment bank start हुए थे. 2018 NSDL Payment Bank was formed and currently Mr. Abhijit Kamla Pukar is the managing director and CEO of the NSDL Payment Bank. NSDL Payment Bank के currently managing director and CEO हैं. Karnataka Bank launches KBL Finsurance. KBL Finsurance, one digital platform which will be used by the employees of Karnataka Bank, not by the customers. It will be used by the employees of the Karnataka Bank. So Karnataka Bank Finsurance empower branch persons, means branch employees, with the real-time capability to generate, track insurance lead, monitor the status of the insurance policies. So any customer showing the interest into insurance policy, any customer showing the interest into, sir, how to utilize the ASAL batch for the clerk examination? I have joined it. It's too deep. I think it is helpful for PO, not for clerk. Beta, when you are preparing for the PO, it is always helpful for clerk as well. So it is a wrong statement that the batch is not helpful for clerk. Why not it is helpful for clerk? You joined late. That is one mistake that you have done. We are running the batch from long time. Now about the utilization, there is a strategy video which is available. So first of all, what you can do, you can watch the strategy video. Second, I can understand that you are finding lack of time to complete the current affairs. So what you can do, go into the opposite direction. Start from the current affairs of July, June. These 2 month current affairs you can do. August month current affairs, we are starting from the Sunday onwards. So try to attend the August month current affairs live after that. Second thing is, if you don't have enough time to go for the detailed discussion, at least start from the MCQs. MCQs of every topic you can complete, then download the PDF of detailed discussion. For example, RBI circulars. Complete the RBI circular MCQs of July. Then download the PDF of July month RBI circular detailed discussion. From that circular, from that PDF, you need to complete one-line questions and answers. So first MCQs, because lack of time, otherwise proper processes, detailed discussion, then MCQs, then after that quizzes. So within the detailed discussion, detailed explanation, one-line question and answer, then MCQs, then quizzes. This is a proper format. Because of lack of time, opposite strategy. MCQs, then one-line questions and answers, and after that quizzes. This is what in lack of time. But batch is enough. Not only for PO, it is helpful, 100% helpful for clerk as well. Clear? Chalo. Remaining what you can do? Remaining you can watch the strategy video which is available within the batch. Back to the news. Karnataka Bank have launched KBL Finsurance digital portal, the portal for the Karnataka Bank employees, where Karnataka Bank employees can check the inquiries related to the insurance product. They can connect with the customer immediately. If the customer is looking for any insurance policy, they can offer it and check the status of the request and close it with the time. This is what the portal name, that is KBL Finsurance. The digital platform powered by Sprint Money, a fintech company that provide white label digital solution to the bank and financial institution. So it's a fintech company, financial tech company. This is a fintech company, financial tech company, which is offering the solution, these type of digital solution to the bank and NBFCs. So Sprint Money created the portal. Portal name is KBL Finsurance. Remaining details I have already told you. Clear? Karnataka Bank, it's a private bank in India, founded on 18th of February 1924, headquarter Mangaluru, Karnataka. And Mr. Raghavendra Srinivas Bhatt sir is the current MD and CEO. Name is important, recently appointed. Mr. Raghavendra Srinivas Bhatt sir. Effective from 16th of November 2025. Chairperson is Mr. P. Pradeep Kumar. Your family bank across India is the tagline, listed in the BSE and NSE. It is a scheduled commercial bank. आते हैं appointments पर. ठीक है. My health is better than morning. Okay. Thank you for asking. Next one, Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank names Sabnam Sinha as the new chairperson, replacing Sunil Bharti Mittal. So this is the picture of Sabnam Sinha, ma'am. उनका वो है, means picture है. She has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Airtel Payment Bank now. She will be taking charge from October 1st, 2026 onwards. Mr. Sunil Bharti Mittal is getting retired on 30th of September. Sabnam ma'am is going to take the charge. Sabnam ma'am is going to take the charge for the duration of 3 years. 3 साल के लिए इनका appointment किया गया है. So she will be taking charge from 1st of October for the duration of 3 years till the year 2029. She will be holding the charge. Sabnam Sinha ma'am currently holding independent director position in the board of Airtel Payment Bank. Sunil Bharti Mittal will continue to serve on the position of chairman, non-executive chairperson of the Airtel Payment Bank, but not CEO, not chief executive officer. Airtel Payment Bank serve more than 121 million monthly active users, nearly 30 million account customers, and headquarter located in New Delhi. Talking about the current scenario, at present in India, we have 5 payment banks. That is Airtel Payment Bank, Fino Payment Bank, NSDL Payment Bank, Indian Post Payment Bank, and Jio Payment Bank. Your Paytm Payment Bank already is shut down. Paytm Payment Bank आपका बंद हो गया. License has been cancelled. Delhi High Court have given the order to shut down the branch operations as well. Apart from that, Fino Payment Bank is going to get converted into a small finance bank in the upcoming days. So we might able to see very soon there will be 4 payment banks which will be available in India. Clear hai? चलो परफेक्ट. ओके, आगे मूव करते हैं. फिर गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स पर चलते हैं. सो गवर्नमेंट स्कीम, West Bengal became 36th state to join Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Jan Arogya Yojana is a scheme under which up to 5 lakh rupee health insurance coverage is available for the family. And in the month of May 2026, West Bengal made announcement that they will be joining Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Acha, West Bengal government also announced Ayushman Divas every year. They will be specifically celebrating the Ayushman Divas every year on a particular date. Can anyone tell me on which date West Bengal government will be celebrating Ayushman Divas. Previously, that was called Khela Hove Divas. Previously, the day was called Khela Hove Divas. Now it is converted to Ayushman Divas. उसको change करके कर दिया गया Ayushman Divas. ठीक है? That will be celebrated by the West Bengal government. 16th of August, Chitra, very good, perfect. Raju, correct, 16th of August. So previously that was called Khela Hove Divas. Now it is called West Bengal. Now that is called Ayushman Divas. And the last state to join Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, around 1.5 crore families in the West Bengal are going to get the 5 lakh rupee per year health insurance coverage under this. Under the scheme, 1,307 private hospital and 627 government hospitals in the West Bengal will be providing the cashless treatment. So cashless treatment इसमें provide किया जाएगा. Now, talking about Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, this is the static point, very important. You might get the question based on scheme instead of which state have joined it. हो सकता है क्वेश्चन ना पूछे that which state recently joined Jan Arogya, but they might ask you question regarding consider which of the following statement regarding Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is are correct. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, it was started on 23rd of September 2018, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Location was Ranchi, Jharkhand, from where it was launched. It is implemented under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Implementing agency is National Health Authority. Up to 5 lakh rupee per year per family health insurance coverage is provided under the family. So this is the static part of the scheme. ये हो गया आपका scheme का static part. ठीक है? Just give me 1 second time. एक सेकेंड. ठीक. Okay, next one. Very important news category. Very important news category. A specific proper question for your upcoming examination. Jal Jeevan Mission completed 7-year transformative progress in the rural drinking water. So Jal Jeevan Mission that was launched on 15th of August 2019 completed total 7 years. 7 years of the implementation. According to the Jal Shakti Ministry, rural tap water coverage in India dramatically increased from 16.7% to 82%, 82.2%. तो 16.7% से increase होके 82.2% पर आ गया है. That is the tap water coverage in India. Tap water coverage in the rural India. It has been increased from 16.7% to 82.2%. Around 15.9 crore homes are holding the tap water connections now. To sustain the growth of the scheme has been extended till 28, that is December 2028. So Jal Jeevan Mission has been extended. Jal Jeevan Mission has been extended till December 2028. I think it came in the last exam also. Recent last exam also this question was there. I'm unable to remember. I think RBI assistant exam में आया था ये question. Jal Jeevan Mission extended till which date? If I'm not wrong. So December 2028 it has been extended. Total budget allocation of the scheme has been increased to 8.69 lakh crore under the Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0. So 8.69 lakh crore rupees the budget allocation. Previously it was only 3.6 lakh crore. तो बजट एलोकेशन इंक्रीज किया है 3.6 से 8.69 लाख करोड़ रुपए. ठीक है. देन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एलोकेशन विल बी 3.59 लाख करोड़. रिमेनिंग विल बी द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एलोकेशन. बाकी रहेगा आपका स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एलोकेशन. फॉर द करेंट फाइनेंशियल ईयर व्हाट इज द बजट एलोकेशन ऑफ जल जीवन मिशन? So 67,670 crore. 67,670 crore, that is 67,670 crore rupees the budget allocation of Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 15th of August 2019 to provide safe, adequate drinking water facility for the rural household. Now, the tap connections which were there at that time, at the time of launch, were 3.23 crore. 16.7% of India had the tap water connection in the rural area. Now, more than 15.91 crore households are holding the tap water connection. Around 82% of the Indian rural population has been covered under, rural household has been covered under the scheme. ठीक है. Now, under the Har Ghar Jal, total 188 districts are certified. Blocks, Har Ghar Jal 1090. These are the additional data related to the scheme. My responsibility to provide you. Remaining, The important one I have already highlighted. Important जो था मैंने already highlight कर दिया है. Next one, अगले न्यूज की तरफ. Clear है यहां तक सब कुछ? Next one. India strengthened the semiconductor and artificial intelligence ecosystem to make India self-reliant in the field of semiconductor and artificial intelligence. News is around what are the initiatives taken by government of India to make India self-reliant, means self-dependent in the field of AI, in the field of semiconductor. Everyone knows semiconductor. Green color chip in your mobile phone is what? Semiconductor. Semiconductor. Don is writing, sir, in my location tap is completed since last year, but no water connection. It will come. It will come. Slowly it will come. So this is what the realities of government schemes in India, guys. What to do? Okay, so back to the news. To make India self-dependent in the field of AI and in the field of semiconductor, what are the initiatives taken by government of India? Point number one, Semicon India program. That is semiconductor program of the government of India. Semicon India 1.0. It was launched with the budget allocation of 76,000 crore rupees. 76,000 crore के budget allocation के साथ इसको launch किया गया था Semicon 1.0 for the purpose of providing the subsidy for the companies which want to develop their semiconductor manufacturing unit in India. Then Semicon 2.0 launched. Semicon 2.0 was launched not only for the manufacturing. That is, even in the field of semiconductor research can be done. Small equipment component, semiconductor component, they should be manufactured within India. For that, Semicon 2.0 has been launched. It was launched in July 2026. Important, hai na? So Semicon 2.0 launched in the month of July 2026 with the budget allocation of 1.27 lakh crore. 1.27 lakh crore to scale India's semiconductor ecosystem toward the global leadership. This was the target. Semicon India 2.0, it is focused on total 6 pillars. Recently in the hustle batch, in the government scheme topic, we have completed this. Semicon 2.0. So chip design, semiconductor equipment, material, fabrication, advanced packaging, research and development, and talent development. 6 pillars. Question in the examination, which of the following is not a pillar under Semicon 2.0? ऐसा question आ सकता है. Which of the following is not a pillar under Semicon 2.0? 12 semiconductor projects were completed in Semicon 1.0. Semicon 1.0 में 12 semiconductor project has been completed. Then Chip to Start program, Chip to Startup program, that is startups getting involved into the chip manufacturing. So for this purpose, 320 academic institutions like IITs or research institutions, they collaborated with the government of India for the purpose of involving the startup into chip manufacturing. More than 68,000 students were trained for Chip to Startups program. इनको train किया गया है. ये additional data हो गया. Now second point is India AI mission. The first one, what is the Semicon 1.0 budget allocation, Semicon 2.0 budget allocation, in which year Semicon 2.0 was launched? What is the objective of Semicon 2.0? These 4 questions from the last part. Second half, India AI mission. India AI mission launched with the budget allocation of 10,372 crore rupees. 10,300 crore, you can remember. The objective is artificial intelligence development in India. We can create our own chatbot, we can create our own data centers, global capacity centers, which are offering the AI technology along with the data capacity. So global capacity centers. India shared AI computing capacity with 45,000 plus GPUs, global processing units, as of June 2026. AI Kosh, July 2026 host more than 14,000 database, a lot of data you can learn. Wherever it is not possible for you to memorize and remember for examination, I'll say specifically direct to you. And don't get stuck with that data, because even in the examination that data comes, nobody is able to answer. So you need to remember the major point. Like India AI mission, approximately budget allocation is 10,372 crore. Inka budget allocation is 10,372 crore. Then India is on 3rd position globally in the field of AI. एआई के फील्ड में इंडिया का पोजीशन क्या रखा गया है? थर्ड पोजीशन रखा गया है ग्लोबली, दैट इन द फील्ड ऑफ एआई कॉम्पिटिटिव इकोसिस्टम द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज थर्ड. देन इंडिया एआई इम्पैक्ट समिट was conducted in 2026. Remember, AI Impact Summit was held in New Delhi. At that time, one robot, that doggy robot became very famous. उस समय बड़ा famous हुआ था वो robot आपका. India AI Impact Summit 2026 was held in February 2026 with the participation of delegation from 100 plus countries, 20 plus international organizations, 92 plus countries and organizations have participated. India also joined Pact Silica coalition. Pact Silica coalition joined by India. Pact Silica will be a group led by US for the purpose of keeping control over critical mineral, rare earth metal, which are required in the field of artificial intelligence or semiconductor manufacturing. That is what Pact Silica India have joined. India became 12th country to join Pact Silica in February 2026. This is important. ये आपका important है. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया यहां तक. नेशनल न्यूज पर आते हैं. सो नीति आयोग रिलीजेस अ रिपोर्ट ऑन रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क ऑन इंडियाज प्रोफेशनल सर्विस sector. India's professional service sector. What is the meaning of professional service? Providing consultancy, advocacy, like doctors do provide consultancy. So this type of things. Even faculty, if you are working as a teacher, as a faculty, that is also a type of professional. That is also a professional service. वो भी आपका professional service का part है. So India's service sector insight on the regulatory regime in the professional service. This is the name of the report. ये report issue हुआ है recently. So NITI Aayog releases a report on the service sector. What is the name of the report? Report name is India's service sector insight. India's service sector insight on the regulatory regime and professional services. This is the name of the report. Report was launched by Mr. Ashok Kumar Lahiri, वाइस चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द नीति आयोग. नीति आयोग के वाइस चेयरपर्सन अशोक कुमार लहिरी इन्होंने लॉन्च किया इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मिस्टर अनुराग जैन हु इज द सीईओ ऑफ नीति आयोग. नीति आयोग के सीईओ मिस्टर अनुराग जैन, इनके प्रेजेंस में इसको लॉन्च किया गया. नाउ प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज अकाउंटेड अराउंड 1/4 ऑफ इंडियाज टोटल सर्विस एक्सपोर्ट. इंडिया का जो एक्सपोर्ट है, सर्विस एक्सपोर्ट, 1/4 इज means 25% share is from the professional services. 25% share है professional services का. The activities such as consulting, legal services, accounting, financial services, architect, engineering and specialized services, they come under professional. They comes under the professional services. ये सारे आपके professional services में आते हैं. So there is nothing in the news. NITI Aayog releases a report regarding services. What is the name of the report? Point number 1, or this particular report launched by which organization? NITI Aayog. What is the share of professional services in India in the total service export? So 1/4, approximately 25%. And which of the following are the examples of the service export? Which of the following are the examples of the professional services? तो वो एक क्वेश्चन हो गया. Then this was the third report in NITI Aayog thematic series. It was the third report which is recently launched. NITI Aayog is launching the reports on the different sectors. So it was related to service sector, that to professional services. Next one, India launches the first guided grassland and other open natural ecosystem. Practically saying, this news is not important, while this particular guide or booklet launched by India at the platform, that is important. So India launched a booklet. India ने एक booklet launch किया है. What is this booklet? This booklet is keeping an idea how we can manage the grassland. हम अपने जो grasslands हैं, this type of grassland area, open area, so this type of green grassland area, how we can increase it, how we can manage it, how we can preserve it. हम इसको कैसे preserve कर सकते हैं? So based on that, India have created a guide and presented it. Presented during a event called 17th session of United Nations Convention to combat desertification. Conference of Parties, that is called COP17, which was held in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. So this is important. COP17 was conducted in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia में COP17 हुआ है. That is to combat, convention to combat against the desertification. At that platform, India have launched a guide. India ने एक अपना guide present किया है, a booklet, complete framework, What framework? Guide to Grassland and other open natural ecosystem of India. That how India is protecting it. कि हम कैसे बचा रहे हैं. The publication expected to serve an important resource for the policymaker, researchers, conservation practitioner, development agencies, and local communities involving into conservation, restoration, sustainable management of the grassland and open natural ecosystem. So India is presenting like if we have a land area, open area, we never give it to the builders for the construction purpose. हम तो नहीं दे रहे हमारा land area, we are procuring it, we are preserving it. And India was represented by Union Minister of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, Bhupendra Yadav in this particular summit. Summit was 17th edition of COP 17 that was held in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. This is important. More important is this one only. Mongolia capital is the Ulaanbaatar, Togrok is the currency. India was represented by Union Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change. Bhupendra Yadav is the cabinet minister. Rajasthan is the constituency. State minister Kirti Vardhan Singh. स्टेट न्यूज पर आते हैं. मेघालय इनॉग्रेटेड सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस फॉर इरी सिल्क. इरी सिल्क related center of excellence was inaugurated by Meghalaya, where the research training will be provided to work on the iri silk, so the production of iri silk can be increased and it can be made as a not only national but an international product which can be exported in a high quantity from Meghalaya to the multiple different countries. For that purpose, Center of Excellence created by Meghalaya, inaugurated by Meghalaya on the 12th edition of the National Handloom Day that was celebrated on 7th of August 2026. So this Center of Excellence was inaugurated at Integrated Textile Tourism Complex in Ri-Bhoi district of Meghalaya. So where it was inaugurated? It was inaugurated in Ri-Bhoi district of Meghalaya. It is related to iri silk. Iri silk, locally known as Rindia. It is locally known as Rindia, one of the Meghalaya important traditional textile, reflect the indigenous clothing or textile of Meghalaya. It is holding GI tag as well. इसको GI tag भी मिला है iri silk को. ठीक है. So Meghalaya, Cornard K. Sangma is the chief minister. C.H. Vijay Shankar sir is the governor of the state. Shillong is the capital. Nokrek National Park and Balpatram Parkam National Park are the national parks of Meghalaya. Gujarat approved Desert Zoological Park and night safari at Juna Desa. Direct question we can expect in the form of static GK. Juna Desha located in which state? Which was there in the news recently. Night safari started at Juna Desa located in which of the following state? Answer will be Gujarat. So Gujarat received the approval for Desert Zoological Park and night safari at Juna Desa at Bansankata district of Gujarat. Gujarat में इसको approve किया है. Approval was given by Central Zoo Authority have given the approval. The project will be developed approximately at 103 acres. It will be planned by the government of Gujarat, and it is going to be Asia's first desert theme drive through the night safari. तो desert theme का drive होगा, where you can drive at the night and enjoy the night safari as well. The estimated cost will be 542 crore rupee, expected to be the house of around 2,700 animals. The major animals which are going to be there in this night safari will be chinkara, black buck, Indian wild ass, after that African species such as cheetah, giraffe, zebra, Australian species like kangaroo, emu, they all will be available in this particular night safari. वो सब रहेंगे night safari में. So Juna Desa is the place where in Bansankata district of Gujarat का district है. The project incorporate rainwater harvesting, solar energy, waste treatment, solid waste management treatment. 542 crore rupees the budget allocation. Central Zoo Authority is a statutory body established under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Bhupendra Patel is the Chief Minister of the state. Acharya Devrat is the governor. Gandhinagar is the capital. Gir, Black Buck, Gulf of Kutch and Vansda. These are the national park of Gujarat. International news पर आते हैं. Poland recently inaugurated Europe tallest Virgin Mary statue at Konotopi. City name is Konodop. So Konodopi is the name of the city. Konodopi is the name of the city. There, the tallest statue of the Virgin Mary was inaugurated. Is 55.6 meter of statue. 55.6 meter का statue है, that is inaugurated in the city called Konotopi. Where? In Poland. Poland में inaugurate किया गया है. Poland is also the home of another famous giant religious movement, 36 meter statue of Jesus, located in Sorbonne in German border, near to the Germany border. It is located in Poland. So these are the two major famous statues are located now in Poland. Which is there in the current affairs now is more important. Virgin Mary statue, Konotope, a 55 meter tall statue it is. Defense news पर आते हैं. Ministry of Defense signed 1,577 crore rupee contract with Tata Advanced System Limited, which is a defense company of Tata Group, and NIBE, N-I-B-E. NIBE Private Limited is a Pune-based company. It is also a private defense company. So with these two companies, recently Ministry of Defense have signed the contract of around 1,577 crore rupee. Kya objective hai? What they are going to procure? So procurement of loiter munition system. Loiter munition system is a type of flying rocket, something like this type of rockets. Bomb, you can say that, the flying bomb. So it will be this type of rocket bomb. So they are called, this system is called loiter mutation system, and 840 loiter mutation. So this is called mutations. इनको बोला जाता है mutations. These type of bombs are called mutations, and this is called system. So 84 systems, 84 type of gun, and 840 that capsules, that bombs, जो bombs हैं. So they will be procured. They will be procured by the Ministry of Defense. इनको procure करेगा Ministry of Defense at the cost of 1,577 crore rupee from Tata Advanced System Limited, Tata Group, and NIBE Private Limited, Pune-based defense manufacturing company. Clear है? So it will have a capability of up to 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer का with precision strike rate capability है इसका. Awards पर आते हैं. Indian Army General Mr. Dheeraj Seth, Indian Army Chief of Indian Army at present, General Dheeraj Seth, recently honored by the Nepal as the honor of General rank of Nepal. Nepal Army General rank. So within the Nepal Army, General rank position has been honored to the Army Chief of India. Recently, Army Chief of India Dheeraj Seth sir was on the visit of Nepal. ये नेपाल के visit पर थे. So during the visit, the President of Nepal, Mr. Ramchandra Paudel, have honored to the Indian Army Chief as the General rank of Nepal. नेपाल के जो military है, उनके General rank की position पर मतलब honor किया इनको. Nepal Kathmandu is the capital. Nepalese rupee is the currency. How much money Indian traveling to Nepal can carry in the form of cash? कितना रुपया जो है Indian travel कर रहे हैं Nepal, they can carry in the form of cash. And which currency notes are allowed? कौन से currency notes allowed है? Can we take 100 rupee, 10 rupees note? Tell me the answer. National Sports Award 2026 announced, awarded by President of India Draupadi Murmu ma'am. Awards were finalized on the recommendation of select committee led by former judge, retired judge Aruna Kumar Mishra ma'am. Arun Kumar Mishra ji. So Arun Kumar Mishra ji ke 200, 500 rupee note up to 25,000 rupee we can carry. Very good. Back to the news. National Sports Award honored by President Draupadi Murmu ma'am. Honor was decided on the suggestion of select committee led by retired Justice Arun Kumar Mishra ji. So Arun Kumar Mishra ji के chairmanship में ये award decide हुए हैं. Arjuna Award. So 17 awardees honored with Arjuna Award. Names you cannot learn for sure. You can try, but you cannot learn. Then Dronacharya Award, it is given to the coaches. ये coaches को दिया जाता है. So Parveer Singh athletics, Chotelal Yadav boxing, Neha Nandan Kumar Chavan shooting, and Dharmendra Singh Yadav boxing, Virendra Kumar wrestling. It is lifetime and lifetime. Mostly we get lifetime achievement award. They can ask into the examination. So these two we should remember, lifetime achievement award. Then Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puruskar 2025 was given to Army Para Olympic Node of Pune to promote the Paralympic Games. So Army Paralympic Node of Pune, they were honored with Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar 2026. Science and technology पर आते हैं. A new private defense company called Kawa UAV Private Limited. Kawa UAV Private Limited, this company successfully conducted their first flight of Divastra Mk3. Name of the equipment is Divyastra Mk3. So Divyastra Mk3 is a jet-powered loitering munition, that's flying bomb, which look like this, like a UAV, unmanned air vehicle, a drone. In a day-to-day language, daily language, we can call it drone. So recently, this type of drone, which can carry heavy quantity of ammunition, that is bomb. So this type of drone, the first test flight was conducted. Its drone name is Divyastra Mk3, created by Kawa UAV Private Limited, and the test was conducted in Uttar Pradesh Defense Industrial Corridor in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh में इन्होंने जो अपना टेस्ट है वो कंप्लीट किया है. This particular drone name is Divyastra Mk3. So Divyastra Mk3 is the name. Best part is the complete drone is manufactured within India. Each and every equipment of the drone is made within India. It is not used any foreign technology. Nothing has been used on the name of the foreign technology. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi launches central bank digital currency based food subsidy transfer in Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Chandigarh. So you know about a scheme called Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. You might heard about it. So under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, in below poverty line, every person in a family is eligible to get up to 5 kg free ration every month. 5 kg free ration every month. One person, every person in a family is able to. So if there are three person in one family, 5 by 5. So it will be 15 kg free ration they will be able to get. This is what Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, which was launched during the COVID-19 pandemic to ensure the food security of Indians. Indians की food security को ensure करने के लिए इसको launch किया गया था. प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना, one of the very costly subsidized scheme of government of India. Now for paying the subsidy, recently Mr. Prahlad Joshi have launched subsidy will be paid in the form of central bank digital currency, that is e-rupee. That is digital currency of Reserve Bank of India. So central bank digital currency will be utilized for the purpose of paying the subsidy under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. Now it has been launched in Chandigarh and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So there people will be able to get CBDC directly into their account, bank account, means their CBDC account, and that CBDC can be utilized only for buying the food grains. So there will not be any misutilization of the subsidy. So it will be given in the form of DBT, direct benefit transfer, directly to the bank account, but this bank account will hold CBDC, and that CBDC can be utilized only to buy the food grains. ताकि आप सिर्फ उसको किस चीज में यूज कर पाएंगे, food grains में. So Chandigarh and Dadra Nagar Haveli became the first state or union territory to India to operationalize the food subsidy transfer under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. Although it is not the first place where it was launched. Previously, pilot project was launched in Gujarat on 15th of February 2026. After that, Puducherry on 26th of February 2026. So this initiative was launched in a pilot basis in Gujarat first, after that in Puducherry. Now it is implemented, started from Chandigarh and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Now it is not a pilot project. Now it is permanently launched for Chandigarh and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So under the new system, food subsidy will be directly transferred to the beneficiary digital rupee wallet instead of conventional bank account. Bank account में पैसा नहीं डालेंगे cash form में, it will be given in the digital rupee wallet. There the CBDC will be credited. Digital rupee token can be used specifically for purchasing the food grains. So misutilization will not be done. So this is another very important news. News is related to Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, which was launched in March 2020. Recently, CBDC launched by Mr. Prahlad Joshi, who is the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food Public Distribution. Now talking about the scheme, very important, static part. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana was launched in April 2020. It worked under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food Public Distribution, and 80 crore families are under National Food Security Act. At present, around 81.35 crore beneficiaries are there in the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. The total budget allocation of the scheme is 11.8 lakh crore. Yearly around it is 2 lakh crore rupee expenditure. Every year there is around 2 lakh crore rupee is the expenditure over this scheme. So under this Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, 5 kg per person per month food grain is provided free of cost, and under the scheme up to 35 kg per family per month can be provided. Next one, SpaceX set to record 2 Falcon 9 launches just in the gap of 38.5 minutes. So one rocket launch, within that again the preparation started. Another rocket launch within 38.5 minutes. So this is the fastest back-to-back rocket launch till now in the world. It was done by SpaceX, Space Exploration Technology Corporation, that is SpaceX, launched 2 Falcon rocket carrying the separate mission from Florida and California and USA. So Florida, California, USA, दो अलग-अलग जगह से इन्होंने launch किए हैं. Shortest launch gap only 38 minutes between the 2 launches. So it is another achievement. Principal Scientific Advisor of India, Mr. Ajay Kumar Sood, Professor Ajay Kumar Sood, recently launched one platform called RSVC-AMRIT platform. RSVC-AMRIT platform is called RUTAGI, Smart Village Center Ecosystem. Actual full form is Rural Technology Action Group Smart Village Center Platform. So this is a platform which connect the startups, innovators to find out the solution of the rural challenges, agriculture related challenges, rural development related challenges. So this is a digital platform which is recently launched by Principal Scientific Advisor of India, Mr. Ajay Kumar Sood. इन्होंने अभी recently इस platform को launch किया है. Platform was implemented with the support of NABARD. NABARD subsidiary that is called NAB Foundation is a subsidiary of NABARD, which is the implementing agency of this particular role. Sports news पर आते हैं. Magnus Carlsen wins Esports World Cup 2026 for the second consecutive year. So Magnus Carlsen ने भी recently जीता है Esports World Cup 2026. Winner is Magnus Carlsen from Norway. Second runner up थे आपके पास Dennis Lazovic, and third position it was Hikaru Nakamura. So these are the winners. So Magnus Carlsen, who is representing the Liquid team, team Liquid, won this particular event for the second consecutive year. This was the last news. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. You can download the PDF. Tomorrow morning session will be live at 8 AM. For IBPS PO, I have already created the strategy video beta. You can check about the IBPS PO. For clerk, I will definitely create very soon. Clerk के लिए मैं भी बहुत